How to add presets in Lensa. Ever wonder how to get the consistent professional look on your photos using your favorite presets, but inside Lensa? It's easier than you think and completely elevates your editing game. First things first, let's open the Lensa app. Once you're inside it, just tap on the photo that you want to edit, or if it's not right over here, simply tap on the plus button, which is at the top. I'm going to use the photos, which is right over here. Let's tap on this one and wait for a while. Once the photo is loaded, you will be seeing a toolbar at the bottom. It's right over here. From this toolbar, simply tap on filters, which is this one. And here will be provided an option for the filters. However, we are going to use the presets. You will not be finding an option or the exact option called presets. However, you can take a references from the photos that you have made earlier. For that, simply tap on reference, which is right over here, and click the photo that you have edited earlier. For example, I have edited the photo at the first, simply tap on it. Then the Lensa will take the reference of it and change the photo to the qualities of the photo. So what you have to understand is there's not an exact option for the preset right over here. However, you can take and reference of the previous photos that you have edited. And that's it. It's that simple. What's the first type of a preset that you are going to add to your collection? Let me know in the comments below. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.